it's Anise Lamar. Welcome back to my channel. So I wasn't even sure if I was going to attempt to do my hair today because I wasn't feeling well earlier, but I did. It turned out really cute. I guess you would call these maybe Havana twists because they're not Marley twists. So I didn't use Marley hair. I used Pinnacle hair. I'm no longer a 350. I am a number 30. It's like a deeper gingerish, brownish color, but in the sun it picks up like red tones and stuff. So I've never heard of this brand, but I got this from the hair store. It's by model Glands Formation Natural Touch Braid, 72 inches. They say the finish length is 36 inches, but honestly, depending on how you fold the hair when you're starting to do it, it could be like knee length, honestly. It's 72 inches. So I really didn't need to lengthen it that much. It says it is tangle free, which is true. It does not tangle that much. It's really lightweight. It's not super heavy. And I only have 2 more left to do. So I was like, let me go ahead and film that part so y'all can see. I'm using the Melanin by Natural 85. I love this stuff. It's the Twist Elongating Style Cream. As you can see, I use it all of the time. A little bit goes a long way because this stuff is thick. I sealed it. Well, I actually used 2 different things. I used the Pattern Beauty jojoba oil, and then I used the Olaplex No. 7 bonding oil. This stuff smells so good. It's good for breakage. I have 2 more pieces left. I'm just gonna make this one big piece because I'm tired. I have been doing my hair since 6 o'clock. It is 10. So not too long, but long enough. I want it to be finished before midnight. And I'm also using jam. Shine and Jam. I'm using the conditioning gel extra hold with honey extract. You know, this stuff is always a banger. And what I love about jam is that it does not flake at all. I love using this stuff for braids. I really should use this way more when I'm like slicking my hair back. This stuff is really good. And it feels so good on my scalp. And then I take some of the cream, rub it in my hair. Do that like that, like that, like that. And then I take a little bit of the jojoba oil and then a little bit of the bonding oil. And I'm gonna put that on there. And I'm gonna finger detangle it first. Now, I typically do the rope method or the invisible method, but in the front of my hair, it's so hard to do. And my head is so tender by the time I get to the top of my hair. I typically don't want to put any extra tension on it. So I'm using the rubber band method in the front because I'm tired. This I'm not going to because like I said, I can do it easily from the back. So what I'm gonna do is split it in half. And I'm using about, I'm just eyeballing it, like this is about maybe 1 inch or so. I kind of stagger it a little bit so it's a little bit longer on one side than the other. And then I put it in the middle like that. Some people use like the, what are those called? The things for crochet, but I find that this works just fine and it's easier. And I honestly don't like the crochet tool. I don't like crochet, to be honest with y'all. Take some more jam, rub that on here, rub that on here. And then I'm going to blend it with the 2 parts and then just start twisting. So I'm doing the rope twist. So you twist it, see if you can see, okay, there we go, you can see it. So I'm slowly starting to tuck in my hair, and you'll see how I tuck in my edges, or the ends of my hair once I get down there. So I'm just twisting. This way your hair isn't coming loose so easily, especially since it's not Marley braid hair. I find that with Pinnacle hair, I don't know if it's if it lasts as long, but we'll see. We're starting to slowly get towards the end. So I'm gonna start putting some more jam on the ends like that. And then I'm gonna start folding my hair inside of the braid hair. How I'm styling it with the part in the middle, I saw, what's her name? Cami, Style by Cami. I love how she did her twist. So this is like inspired by her twist. And these are really easy. Honestly, the hardest parts of twisting your hair, and I'm not talking about braiding, I'm talking about twisting, is the parts. The parts kick my behind every single time. And I was gonna ask my cousin to help me braid. Was gonna ask her to help me at least part my hair, but this was so last minute. I was like, let me just put my big girl drawers on and get it finished. So right now I'm just braiding it all the way to the ends. So yeah, so a little bit about how I prepped my hair. What I did was, when I washed it, detangled it and brushed it or combed it all the way back into a bun because I didn't want to put any heat on it to blow dry it out. So while I was in the shower, I put my hair in a bun, and it stayed like that for 2 days. And that stretched my hair out. So by the time it was time for me to start to prep my hair, as far as like parting, it was much easier because I didn't have to deal with my curls. I just let it stretch out over 2 days, and then before I started twisting, I parted my hair. I didn't want to film that because I was so frustrated doing it. Honestly, my technique sucks because as I started to do my hair, I kept changing the parts. So what I did in the beginning, the 2 hours I spent in the beginning didn't even matter. So that's done. And then I'm going to take the oil, and I'm definitely concentrating it on the ends of my hair because I'm trying to, you know, cut down on breakage per my last hair video. So for here, I'm gonna do the invisible method. So I'm gonna see if I can try to show y'all how to do it. So I split my hair into 2, like I did before, but instead of applying the rubber band, I'm going to take my hair, and crazy enough, y'all, this is only 2 1.5 packs. I didn't even use all of the hair. So I'm gonna take it like that. This is really hard to film. Jeez Louise, how do people be filming this? Okay. And then I'm gonna start here, and I'm gonna fold it over, or twist it, twist it, twist it, twist it. Oh, my hair is so tender. And then I'm gonna take this part and twist it this way. And then you wanna make sure they're both like taut, and then you're gonna lap it over, hold it, twist it a little bit towards the opposite sides. So I'm just twisting it as I go. See if, okay. All right. So I'm adding more jam as I go down. Oh, it's so tender right here, y'all. Oh my God. But I'm almost finished. Okay. Now I'm gonna start folding my hair into the braiding hair. I think this match is so good. This is a perfect transition to get me into my natural hair color. Whoa! We finished. All right, so I'm going to go to bed, put my face on in the morning, and then show y'all the final look with like the length and everything. So see you in the morning. Hey guys, so today is the next morning. I feel a lot more refreshed. Just got my nails done. I love the fact that this hair is lightweight. It slept really easy. There wasn't a lot of tension on my scalp, so it didn't hurt when I went to go lay down and go to bed. So I wrapped it with just a headscarf, and then I put a bonnet on the remaining of it. So right now I'm just going to clean up a little bit around the edges. And I'm also adding this once a day. It's the Blueberry Mint Scalp Treatment. That's it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this super, I don't know if it's a super quick tutorial, but really straightforward kind of vlog style tutorial type situation. And yeah, I really like these. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you would like to see more tutorials like this of me doing protective styles, definitely comment down below. So hope you guys enjoy. Until next time, I'll see you guys later. Peace.